Jesus. You know, well, I need to call my prayer partner. Let me go on Facebook and see what they saying on there. Maybe that'll help me. The devil is a liar. Don't you know the power of life and death lies in your own tongue? So if you don't will yourself to speak the things of God that yields the manifestation of the righteousness that's already declared in your life, then you'll continue to stay bound. Oh, Jesus.
All right.
You deserve to be free. Yes, you do. I hear Satan trying to tell you now, I don't know. No, I done did too much. Who hasn't done a lot that was contrary to God's word? Who hasn't hurt God in the past? We all have sinned and come short of the glory of God. But we've got to learn and remember that when God says He forgives you, He forgives it all.
That's it. That's it.
It's not even there anymore.
Right.
That's why the enemy keeps playing with our mind. Because even though God done thrown it in the sea of forgetfulness, we too